welcome back. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. As you can see from the description below, today I'm going to be unboxing, cover up my address, unboxing and sharing with you guys the Heart and Soul. This is actually like a Mother's Day edition box, so I am super excited to share. And I will put a link down below to get you over to the Cratejoy site if you would like to purchase this. And there is a code right now, Mom's Day. I'll put that down below as well to get you 20% off this box, which is fantastic. So, but again, the link and all of that will be down below. Let's just get in and see what it's all about. I can already smell goodies. Or not smell goodies. I can smell something good. So I am very excited to see exactly what is in here. Every time I unbox this, it is so much fun. The products are always amazing, and just, you can tell that she really puts her time into, you know, making all of these products and everything. So I really, really appreciate that. And they're all wonderful. So so it comes nicely protected with some bubble wrap. Oh, well, maybe this isn't the Mother's Day, but oh yes it is. Okay, I'm sorry. It is. Okay. Wow, this is packed. And it smells so good. But yes, okay, so yes, you can sign up between now and May 12th and get 20% off with the coupon code Mom's Day. So like I said, I'll put that in a link to their site down below. And let's just get in here. So this is what I see when we first open it. So the very first thing on top is a revitalizing face mask. And mix 1 teaspoon of powder with small amount of water. Form it in a paste. Allow the mask to harden. Gently scrub and remove with warm water. So there is that. Right there. I'm getting this paper so I can tell you a little bit about all of the products on here. So yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. We've seen these before where you kind of make your own mask. So that is awesome. And then, now I have never seen her include one of these in here, so I am super excited. And this is a, it's a 3-ounce candle. Love the color. And it isn't Tidal Wave is the scent. So let's give this guy a little smell. Oh, that smells really good. That smells so fresh and yummy. Oh, I'm excited about this candle. Awesome. This box is packed. Okay. So then we have something right here. And it is a bath bomb. And this is a vanilla lavender bath bomb. This is a 7-ounce bath bomb. That smells really good. I smell more vanilla than I do lavender. So there is that guy right there. But again, that smells amazing. And then over here is a 6-ounce Sky is the Lemon Bath Bomb. That's super pretty. All the different colors. And I can smell a little bit of lemon. It smells good. So there is that. And then here we have, oh, yes. This is a 2-ounce peaches and cream silky body butter. Peaches and cream. It does have a safety seal. Oh my gosh, you guys, that literally smells like peaches and cream ice cream. And her like whipped body butters are fantastic. So I'm very, very excited for that guy. And then we also have over here a 2-ounce whipped acai berry body butter. Right there. Oh, that smells so good. That smells fantastic. Okay. Gosh, the smells in this box are just wonderful. All right, and then here we have a 4-ounce tangerine emulsified sugar scrub. Love sugar scrubs. So there is that guy right there, and I bet with the tangerine, I bet it smells amazing. And then we have, this box is packed. Over here, we have a 4-ounce blue agave emulsified sugar scrub. This is awesome. It's got the safety seal all the way around, so I'm not going to open this right now, but that is fantastic. And then we have, a strawberry shortcake lip balm. Awesome. Love strawberry shortcake. That's one of my favorite things this time of year too, is strawberry shortcake. It's just amazing. All right, so we have one more item. And this appears to be another bath bomb. So Mom will definitely be able to pamper herself. All right, and oh no, this is a shower balm. Awesome. And this is a eucalyptus. That is really pretty. Oh, that smells so good. It's like so relaxing just to smell it. But how pretty is that? So that was everything in the Mother's Day box. And it is designed for mothers to relax. So like I said, I will put a link down below to the Cratejoy site and that code Mom's Day to get you 20% off. And as long as you order by May 12th, you will receive the 20% off and you will get this amazing box with all of these fantastic 2 bath bombs, 2 body butters, 2 sugar scrubs, a candle, a shower balm, the lip balm, and the revitalizing face mask. So that is fantastic. That box is packed and I love it. So let me know what you guys think down below and I will like I said, put that link and coupon code for you down below as well in the description. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so head over and check that out if you have not already. I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye!